Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the offers in the Stocard application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the offers button at the bottom of the page in the middle. And as you can see here, you can find the most recent deals for different shops. So if you're interested in any of them, then just click on that and you will be able to scroll through it and see if you're interested in any of them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.